she? I wonder like what can it be? They say what you want, I say Lil me. Yeah, I want a boy, but she want a girl. Like when can we see? Yo, I'm ready. Balloon pop it, smoke bomb light it. Whether it's pink or it's blue, I promise I'll still be excited. I promise. Baby, we excited? Are you excited? We so excited. Let me tell you my baby. I promise to love you forever. I can't wait till we are united.
Yan, ayaw mag-open. So, 3 pictures inside. The first June. Second, July, and then the third, August. So, talaga sigurado na to. Sigurado na. OMG! Boy or girl? Boy!
Pero kutog-kutog na talaga yan!
Yay!
Oh my God! Ay, babae na kayo!
It's a baby girl. At ilang weeks ka nito? 22 weeks. Baby girl. Now, the CAS at 20, ilang weeks ka nito? 20, basta 20 something weeks din. It's a girl din. And now, the latest picture, ayan na, kitang-kita na talaga siya. O, di ba? Yan na yung hamburger. Ang tawag kami doon ng hamburger sign. Hamburger, no? So, ayun yung kidney, and then ayun yung gitna. So, it's a baby girl. Congrats!
Hey, congrats!